how you do a reverse lunge. Now, a reverse lunge is great for the hamstrings, the glutes, the quads. Now we're gonna load the front leg. We're pushing the hip back here. You wanna think about this back leg. If there was a scale there, that only measures a pound or two. And a lot of times people come here and they compensate and they push off of that back leg and compensate. So we're gonna lean forward. So we got a nice neutral spine here. We're driving up. The glutes are stretching as we come down. Now, as you're leaning forward, you're pushing those hips back. You're going to get more glutes out of it. If you had a more upright torso here, we're going to get a little bit more quad based. And that is your reverse lunge. Here's a forward or a front lunge. Now, this is moving. We're going to step forward, load that front leg. The quad is contracting here. I don't have any pressure on this back leg. I'm driving up. Load through. Allow that ankle to dorsiflex here, drive through. Now you want to take a stride where that knee can naturally guide forward and that heel is not popping up here. Now you can do one side at a time or you can do alternating sides. That is your front lunge. Side lunge or lateral lunge. We're working in the frontal plane as we're coming to our left or right. Stepping out to the side, think about unlocking in this knee, pushing the hip back here. Nice neutral spine. What I mean by that is we're not overextending here. Ab strong. Drive up. Load this leg. You can hold a weight here. You can hold dumbbells down or just body weight. So we can go one side at a time or you can do alternating sides. Think about pushing the hips back here, loading, ab strong, driving up, repeating. That is your lateral lunge. Here's a split squat bowler, but we're in a split squat position. Now we're coming down. As we come up, I'm going to swing that weight in front of me so the leg's forced to stabilize. We're letting that weight come back down into a hinge motion. So we're coming down, load that front leg, pop up, control down. This is an advanced movement, really requires a lot of stabilization through that leg. Abs nice and strong, push the hips back, drive up. That is your split squat bowler. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Joey Thurman. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you get my book, The Minimum Method, the least you can do to be a stronger, healthier, happier you.